try liability and we walk away, he gets nothing. You know that. And it's a good chance he gets nothing, being that he admitted several times to crossing against the red light. Regardless of how you guys sugarcoat it, he admitted several times to crossing against the red. Term it how you want, put it how you want, he admitted.
Listen, he didn't admit anything. I made it clear. Like,
well, let's read the police report. Pedestrian states.
Yeah, but you keep going back against the police report.
Red light, so he admitted he was crossing the red light.
Listen, you keep going back to the police report, and I told you like a million times, like, we don't care about the police report. It's not
we do, Alex, we do.
But it's not admissible in court.
I was crossing against the red light when I was struck. Exact words.
No, that's not. Listen,
all right, Alex,
listen.
You lost me, man. I'm willing to compromise, even with.
I'm willing to compromise too. Look. You
I'm
keep.
willing to compromise, even with him saying I'll cross against the red light. The guy broke his face. I understand, and I'm willing to put some money in his pocket, but it's not $100,000 case.
Look.
Uh-huh.
I told you a million times.
Right.
I don't care about the police report.
Alex, we do.
Based on what? It's not even admissible in court.
How about the EBT?
Yeah, I looked at the transcript.
His exact words. I entered the street on a red light. Once again, he said.
And as he started walking,
the parkway on a red light.
It turned green.
Walking, the light changed.
Now.
Oh, what a recovery! Way to recover that mistake.
Listen. The only thing.
I wanted to work with you, even if you guys.
I am willing to work with you, but you keep going back on something that's not even stated clear in the EBT.
That's state form. That's the other people that will talk to you. They say this guy admitted several times to causing his own injuries. Have a nice day. But I'm willing to work with you, guy. I'm willing to work with you.
I'm willing to work with you. The only thing we can do. Listen, we have two options.
Right.
I told you this. I told you this a couple of times.
Okay.
The only thing that we have at this point is a marginal question of fact.
Okay.
Okay. Hypothetically, even if it was a 50-50 case, the cases would be still worth over $100,000. It's a fracture. Fracture is a fracture. Broken teeth. Did you see the surgeries that he had to go through? On top of that,
the surgery for what?
He had a procedure on his dental work or something. I gotta look back into the file to look at the exact injuries. In any case,
all right, man. So,
marginal. So the only thing I could do at this point.
Trying the case, right?
No, I'm giving you options.
Go ahead.
I mean, the only thing I can do is I can shave off $100,000. It really depends on what's your top dollar on this without going back and forth. Or if you want, we can.
Straight offer, I can guarantee you have nothing close to $100,000. My manager chased me out of the office this week
you haven't even given me a straight offer yet. You haven't. Yeah, but you haven't even given me a straight offer yet. I mean,
you didn't give me a number to work with, though. I mean,
but officially, officially, I still have to stay at $100,000.
I offered you $10,000, right? So I'm saying it's worth $20,000. So I did offer something.
20,000. 20. This. No, 20,000. That's like wishful thinking right there. That will never happen. Another option we can go with. We have no problems. We told you this since day one. We can do an ADR 0.
You want 100 on a high? There's no way. There might do 75 on a high, which is a great number given the circumstances. Right?
No, we can't do 75. It's a 100 policy case.
Work this out, man. We can't do 100. Work with us.
Then we have to go to trial. That's it.
We'll try the case. It's that simple.
So we'll try the case.
At least we know, Alex. But stop giving us sideways answers. At least we know now we have to try the case.
I've been telling you this since day one. I mean,
no, we're looking to resolve it. But if you guys have no intentions of moving,
I know, but you guys are
Why'd you say that?
Yeah, no, I told. Listen, the only thing I can do is I can share.
Of what your guy testified to, or what the injuries are worth.
I know what he testified to. I read the transcript.
Okay, but look. I understand. Even if let's say full liability, you're way off with your full value for a fracture. No, double check it though. Don't take my word.
I did double check it. I know. Listen,
You're a smart guy. Don't look at jury verdicts. You're going to see millions for bulges. You could win the lottery. That's like winning the lottery. It happens once.
Listen. I told you since day one. I mean, there's no point of discussing this case if you can't do close to $100,000, or we can do 0 to 100 ADR.
If you can't do what, I'm sorry?
Unless you do close to 100,000 at least, or 0 to 100 ADR, there's like really nothing to discuss.
75,000 is close.
But you haven't offered.
But I'm saying I could possibly convince my company to put up 75. Given the circumstances.
If you can do 75, I can definitely take it to my client confidently.
I mean,
because that will save my client in trial costs.
Yeah. Plus, look.
And it's gonna cost you.
Alex, you still gotta pay your doctors, so you still gotta pay them at least $20,000. So tops is 80 anyway, even if you try the case.
No, listen. If you can come back, listen.
Listen. Saving money.
Listen. If you can.
The gamble, because that's a real gamble given the circumstances.
Listen, if you can come back with 75, I will definitely take it to my client, and I will have a very serious conversation with him.
I will.
Okay.
I'm not proposing 75, but I can.
I know. I understand. Believe me, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you to it.
Okay. And look. If I push it to the managers, are you going to push it to your client? I'm doing my part, Alex.
No, trust me. Trust me. I don't want to go to trial. You think I want to go to trial?
In this case, it's freaking come on.
Nobody wants to go to trial. I don't. I would want to. I don't want to go to trial in any case.
Look. I'm going to propose 75. Sit tight. Let me see what I can do.
Okay. Not a problem. Bye.